Hey everyone, welcome back to Old Monk Wisdom Talk. Today, we're diving into a topic that might just help you understand what your partner is really craving in the bedroom. We're talking about the signs a woman might give when she's in the mood for something a little more intense. Yes, we're talking about hardcore sex. Now, before we get started, remember that every relationship is unique and communication is key. If you're not sure what your partner wants, always ask and talk about it. That being said, let's get into some common signs that she might be in the mood for something a bit wilder. 1. The way she's touching you. One of the most obvious signs is the way she's touching you. If her touches are more aggressive or demanding, like grabbing your shoulders, pulling you closer, or digging her nails into your back, it's a clear signal that she's craving something more intense. This isn't the time for gentle caresses. She's showing you that she wants a passionate, no-holds-barred experience. 2. The look in her eyes. They say the eyes are the window to the soul, and when it comes to sex, they can also be a window to her desires. If she's giving you a fiery, almost predatory look, it's a good indicator that she's in the mood for something more adventurous. Her eyes might be locked onto yours, filled with hunger and anticipation. This kind of eye contact is a surefire way to tell she's ready for a more intense encounter. 3. Her dirty talk gets dirtier. If she's usually shy or reserved in the bedroom, but suddenly starts using more explicit language, that's a pretty clear sign she's looking to spice things up. When her words get more aggressive or demanding, she's communicating her desire for something beyond the usual. This is her way of telling you she wants to take things to the next level, and she's not afraid to vocalize it. But remember, always gauge her comfort level. If you're not sure what she wants, don't be afraid to ask. Consent and mutual enjoyment are the foundation of any good sexual experience. 4. She takes control. Another big sign is if she starts to take control of the situation. This could mean she's initiating positions, being more assertive with her movements, or even guiding your hands to where she wants them. If she's taking the lead and being more dominant, it's her way of saying she's in the mood for a more vigorous and intense experience. 5. She's more vocal and demanding. If she's being more vocal, moaning louder, giving you commands, or expressing exactly what she wants, it's a pretty strong indicator that she's in the mood for something hardcore. This isn't the time for quiet, gentle lovemaking. She's letting you know she wants to let loose and go all out. 6. Her body language changes. Body language can be incredibly telling. If she's pulling you closer, arching her back more dramatically, or wrapping her legs around you with more force, it's a sign that she's ready for something more intense. Pay attention to how her body responds to your touch. If she's moving against you with more urgency, she's probably in the mood for a more powerful connection. It's essential to stay attuned to her body language and listen to what she's non-verbally communicating. This can help you understand exactly what she's looking for in the moment. 7. She's trying new things. If she starts suggesting or trying new things that you haven't done before, it's a clear sign she's looking to push boundaries. This could be anything from different positions, incorporating toys, or even exploring kinks you haven't talked about yet. When she's willing to experiment, she's showing you that she's open to a more adventurous, intense experience. 8. She's talking about fantasies. If she starts talking about her fantasies, especially those that involve more intense scenarios, it's a sign she wants to bring those fantasies to life. She might share scenarios where she's more submissive or dominant, or even situations that involve a bit of rough play. This is her way of opening up and inviting you to join her in exploring these desires. 9. She's dressed for the occasion. Sometimes, the way she dresses can be a big hint. If she's wearing something that makes her feel particularly sexy or daring, like lingerie she hasn't worn before, it's a sign she's gearing up for a more thrilling experience. Pay attention to these visual cues. She's telling you she wants to feel desired and have an experience that matches the effort she's put into her appearance. Remember, it's all about connecting with her in the way she's craving. If she's gone out of her way to set the mood with a certain look, make sure you're responding in kind. 10. She's setting the scene. If she's taken the time to set up the room with candles, dimmed lights, or even a particular playlist, she's trying to create an atmosphere that encourages something more intense. This isn't just about romance. It's about creating a space where she feels comfortable and ready to explore her desires more deeply. If she's setting the scene, take the hint. It's time to turn up the heat. 11. She's got a different energy. Sometimes, it's all about the energy she's bringing into the room. If she's got a different vibe, more confident, more assertive, or even more playful, it's her way of signaling she's in the mood for something different. Pay attention to her energy and match it. If she's bringing intensity, respond with the same level of passion and enthusiasm. 12. She's vocalizing her desires. Finally, if she's directly telling you she wants something more intense, listen. It might sound obvious, but sometimes people get caught up in the moment and miss the cues. If she's saying things like, "I want you to take me harder," or "I need you right now," don't hesitate. She's giving you clear, enthusiastic consent and letting you know exactly what she's looking for. So, there you have it. Those are some of the signs she's in the mood for hardcore sex and a few tips on how to handle the situation. Remember, every relationship is different, and the most important thing is to communicate and respect each other's boundaries. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content from Old Monk Wisdom Talk. What are your thoughts on this topic? Have you noticed any other signs that we missed? Let us know in the comments below.